Okay, let's make this lemon soap bar. Welcome back to my channel. The first ingredient you're going to need is a soap base. Soap base is also known as a melt and pour soap. It is a pre-made soap mixture that is melted down and used as a base for creating handmade soap. Basically, this soap does not have any benefit on its own. So you have to melt it down, add your things, and voila, you make your own soap from it. And that is what we're going to be doing in today's video. The next step is to cut our soaps into smaller pieces so that it can be easy to melt. Hi there, my name is Z and I create videos like this on how to make DIY projects for hair and the skin. So if you are interested in any of my videos, you can check my page out and subscribe if you enjoy what you see. The next ingredient we are going to need is lemon. We need 2 lemons for this procedure. We're just going to scrape off the skin of the lemon. Make sure your lemon is washed so that you don't introduce bacteria into your product. Lemon includes antifungal, antibacterial, and skin improving properties, and it is also good for the hair as it helps the hair to reduce its dullness and it makes it smooth. In fact, lemon helps to revive dull hair. It contains some antioxidants and nutrients that will help to keep your hair healthy and silky. The next ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin helps to add moisture to the hair by improving the softness and manageability. It also grants your hair overall healthy hair. The next ingredient is olive oil. As you can see, I think the clip mixed up somewhere. I added olive oil. Don't worry, I will be giving you the exact measurement somewhere at the end of this video. So please keep on watching and do not forget to give this video a like. So the next thing is to just add all the 3 ingredients together and blend, which is the lemon zest, olive oil, and glycerin. So just make sure you blend it well. If you don't have this blender, you can just use a pestle and a mortar, the small one. Just make sure, we just want to get the juice out because, of course, the next step is to sieve and get out the juice. Lemon also has great properties for the skin as well. It boosts the collagen in the skin. Collagen is what is responsible for maintaining the elasticity of the skin. It also reduces dark spots. It brightens the skin. It can also be a treatment for acne. You know, it can lighten your elbow and your knee once you just use it right. Don't go and rub lemon juice on your skin. It is kind of acidic a little bit, so you want to be careful. So this is the zest I got from squeezing it. You can use this as a face scrub by mixing it with probably rice flour or even oat flour. So now that we have what we want, what we need from the lemon, we're just going to move on to the next step, which is I'm going to be melting the soap base. That is hence the reason I cut them into smaller pieces. And you also need a soap mold. It's okay if you don't have the soap mold. You can use any plastic, all those small plastic. Just make sure it is flexible enough to get your soap out. After melting this in a microwave, guys, do not be like me. Don't melt this in a microwave. I stood with it, you know, melting it on low heat. I just took my eyes away for like 2 seconds and it spewed over. It foamed and spewed over. So now that you know, do not use the microwave to melt your ingredients. Aside from it getting too hot, it can also spill over. I'm just going to transfer the lemon juice into the soap base and mix it well. And the next step is lemon essential oil. This part is actually very optional. If you don't have it, it is fine. If you have any other essential oil, it is fine as well. The reason I added this is that lemon essential oil treats greasy scalps. It kind of reduces dandruff in your hair. It can also kill some bacteria trapped in your pores, the pores of your hair. So the next step is to pour my melted soap base into the silicone molds and let's see what we've got afterwards. So after pouring the liquid ingredient in the soap mold, this is what I've got, and we're just going to leave it for like a day to get solid. Actually, it does not take up to a day before it's, you know, gets solid like this, but I just left it to, you know, to get hard a little more, and I left it for 24 hours. This is what we've got. We've got a nice, clean, transparent soap that can be used on the hair and for the skin. So I'm just going to do a quick little show to show you how foamy it is. It is just fine, just like this soap you get at the store or at the mall. It is really good, and actually it really smells so nice because of the lemon and the lemon essential oil, you know, everything lemon. It smells so good. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is the list of ingredients used, exact measurement as promised. Yeah, till I see you in my next video. Bye. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye.